The SCM820 Digital IntelliMix Automatic Mixer provides users with advanced control during the mixing process. This video shows how to set up the SCM820's digital feedback reduction function. First, assign one of the two DFR blocks to a desired channel. Click the Assigned To drop-down menu next to DFR1 to select input channels 1 through 8, or Mix A Master Output. Here, we'll select channel 1. This will enable DFR on that channel. Clicking on the DFR1 button will disable DFR on that channel when needed. Once a channel is selected, DFR can also be enabled and disabled from the input screen. Select the desired channel for DFR2 to enable a second channel of digital feedback reduction. Here we'll select Mix B Master Output to affect all microphone channels for that mix bus. Adjust the number of filters from 1 to 16 and set New Filter Q or Width. A fader for the channel input-output assigned to the DFR function is located conveniently in the DFR window. Adjust the channel's gain here. Use the ring out method to intentionally cause feedback during setup and adjust the filters accordingly. The adaptive notch filters automatically deploy when feedback is introduced. Here we're using sine wave tones over 10 intervals to simulate feedback. Once the desired settings are in place, lock the individual filters to prevent further automatic frequency changes, or leave them unlocked to dynamically adjust to new feedback. Note that depth can increase automatically whether a channel is locked or not. Frequency, depth, and Q can all still be manually adjusted on a locked filter. Making a manual frequency change to an unlocked filter automatically locks it. Once all filters have the desired settings, the freeze function can be used to prevent any automatic changes to frequency or depth and prevents new filters from deploying. Click the Selected, Unlocked, or All Clear buttons to reset filter settings for a DFR channel. This action sets frequency and depth back to 0 and Q to the selected New Filter Q setting for the desired filters. Clicking the Auto Clear button brings up a pop-up window that allows the user to choose whether the filters clear on power cycle or on timeout. If timeout is chosen, the number of hours and minutes before the filter's auto clear can be set. This is useful if there are different settings needed within a known time frame. The timer resets for each filter after any depth change or at the end of the countdown. Timeout auto clear will still clear with power cycles. When ready to save, click the Save button, name and save the file, perform a clear all, and then load any previously saved DFR setting file. All previous filter settings will load from the saved file. Saved settings from the Preferences tab in the Control software will also save DFR settings. The combination of Shure Digital IntelliMix and digital feedback reduction takes audio performance to a new level.